Hi, I'm ST Billingsley from HomeTowne Auto Repair and Tire. Some people always ask us, what makes your shop a little bit different from, say, all the other ones that are out there? We are a locally owned and operated automotive repair shop. One of the things that we work very hard to do, make sure that we offer health care, that we actually pay for it for the individual employees, that way everybody has a chance to be covered, so it's not actually coming out of their paycheck. Offered a good wage. Also training. Training is a big thing that we want to make sure that we have available, so as technology gets a little bit more complicated, we're actually staying ahead of those. We're actually able to offer a good service to the consumer. Women coming into this industry still do have a little bit of a hard time, and we've actually gotten calls from some of the automotive teachers asking us if we would take them on board to give them a chance, and we do. Every woman that we've had come in here trying to get a foothold in this business have actually gone on to bigger parts of their career, where they've ended up going back to school or actually going to a different part of the industry. They've actually been able to find their way.